Hello. If you are seeing an error message that says not able to fetch products for any of your sales funnels, I'm going to take a look at this and show you how to fix this. Okay, so I want to go to this funnel and you want to make sure that the products are added to the right step in the funnel. So if you have a separate order form page and not just a pop-up form, on the main sales page, then you want to make sure that you go to the order form step and make sure the product is added there. In this case, that is correct. On the next step, I want to just make sure for all of the upsells, the products are added, because if something is missing, it could be that the product is not added to the right step in the funnel. And you don't need to add product to the main sales page unless you're going to be using a pop-up order form on the main page where people can, before they close the window, they have to fill out the form or something like that. If you're not doing that, then you don't need to add products to this first step. And you certainly don't need to add the products to the confirmation page because there's no purchasing happening on the confirmation page. But do make sure that the products are added to all the order form pages and any upsell pages that you have for your funnel. Okay, so once you've checked that, then you want to make sure you are looking at the order itself to make sure it is linking to the right thing. If I edit this in a new tab, you also want to make sure while I'm on this page, you want to make sure the product is added as a main product. So I'm going to go under products and hit edit. And under additional option, I want to make sure it says it's the main product, unless it's a bump product. If it's a bump product, that would be fine. But make sure you have at least the main product added, one main product added to the page. So if you're on this sales page, I'm just making sure that everything over here looks good. So when the sale happens, it goes to the next step in the funnel, which is perfect. Is there anything in here that looks funky? If you have order bump, then you want to enable this. In this case, we don't have an order bump, so we don't necessarily need to enable this, but it's not hurting anything. I'm going to leave it alone. Okay, so I'm going to go to the next step in the funnel. So when I come in here and I click on this button, which is the button for the upsell, you want to make sure that over here, one click up/down sell product is selected, and we have selected a product. So this is the button they're going to click on to add this product to the cart and automatically charge their credit card. It's a one-step process, right? So they're not going to get another pop-up message or anything like that where they have to confirm, are you sure you're adding this? Basically, when they click this button, it's going to charge their credit card automatically. So make sure the product is added, the upsell product is added and listed over here. Okay, when they click on no, you have to figure out what you want them to do. So right here is where the problem is. You see, it says link to this and no product is added. We actually don't want to do that. We don't want to link it to anything. If they say no thanks, we just basically want it to advance to the next step in the funnel. So I am going to just turn this one to, I'm going to go to next step. That's all. Because we want it to advance to the next step in the process in the funnel. And that's all we want to do. Okay, so I'm going to hit save on this thing and I want to publish this change. And then I want to go back and I want to make sure that the second upsell also has this enabled. I could also go to it from here. If I click on pages, I can go to the next step. So over here, when people click on this, we definitely want it to be linked to the right product, which it is. And if they click no, we just want it to step to the confirmation page. So that is beautiful. So no change needed over here. And that's it. That's how you fix it. So once this is done, we will not receive that error message again. Should we go ahead and check it? I'll let you test it on your own. That's how you fix it.